Hello Red Caboose Motel family, and welcome to another edition of Trains with Tyler. Today we're going to take a look at one of our more common floor plans, the Double Double Caboose. As the name implies, this caboose will accommodate up to 4 people in 2 double beds. And that brings me to another question that we get quite often. Do these rooms allow for additional bedding, such as roll-away beds or pack-and-plays? And the answer is sometimes. The best way to go about finding out that information and to find a caboose that best suits your needs is to contact the front desk at 717-687-5000. Our front desk conductors will be able to help you find a caboose that will safely accommodate these types of bedding and allow you access to all areas of the room. Again, 717-687-5000. Now back on track. Today we're going to be looking at caboose number 4, which is this orange and silver caboose behind me, the Rio Grande caboose. Now the caboose was recently repainted and we are still in the process of reinstalling the logo, as is the case with the New Haven caboose, which is directly after that one. And further down the line, if I can point in the right direction there, is the Pennsylvania caboose, number 6. We also did the same floor plan in caboose number 29, which is the Strasburg Railroad caboose. So if you are interested in the decor or the floor plan of any of these cabooses, you can call the Red Caboose Motel front desk conductors and request any one of those rooms. Without further ado, let's go inside and take a look at caboose number 4, the Rio Grande Double Double Caboose. Just inside the door here, to my right, flat screen television. First of 2 double beds. Most cabooses on the property have a drop leaf table with seating for 2. All cabooses have bathrooms. It's just a question of whether they have a shower or a tub. Now with caboose 4, 5, 6, and 29, when we updated these, they all have the same exact floor plan. So what you're seeing here is true of all of those cabooses. And these bathroom cupola windows let in some awesome daylight, but have privacy film so that you will have your privacy. And another feature, as we've described in other videos, is a door separating the 2 sides of the bedroom for additional privacy. Whether it's kids or friends or companions traveling together, this creates a nice little bedroom in the back with its own separate air conditioner. Walking back into the room, there is a refrigerator and microwave. And we're back to the front door. Oh, and can't forget, air conditioner in this side of the room as well. Would you like to do the stand-up?
Meow meow meow. Meow meow meow. Meow meow. Meow meow. Double double caboose. Meow meow meow. Meow 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 meow. Meow meow. To book online, go to meow 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 Red Caboose Motel meow.com. This is Cabooses with Kitty. Meow meow. Meow meow.
Well, that's all the time we have today on Trains with Tyler. Thank you for joining me on this caboose tour of a Double Double Caboose. If you have questions about this caboose or any other type on our property, the best way to find out the answer is to call 717-687-5000 and talk to one of our Red Caboose Motel front desk conductors. And remember, a lot of what you see today is not indicative of every caboose on our property. In fact, that is one of our most defining features, is the fact that each room has its own character. You can see many of the rooms online at redcaboosemotel.com, but you can also book them online by clicking Book Now or by calling 717-687-5000. Thank you for joining us. We'll see you again next time.